Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to connect our website. It's already connected to the warehouse, so we're going to pretty much set up an import by first searching for the categories, then looking through the categories for the products to make sure we've got the right products we want. We'll exclude products we don't want, we'll include products we do want, add them to our list, and then start the import. So let's get on with it. So you can see down here, first of all, first thing is it's like the wish list, the product list for importing. So you could, if you wanted to, you can see there's a little hover tooltip there. If you want, you could just paste in the codes or the SKUs which come from the warehouse. So you need to jump on the warehouse site and get those. Or you can just paste them straight here and then click yes, we've backed up the site and start importing. And then that will be fine so long as they're valid codes. Or we can go this route. Number one, fetch the available categories. This is talking to the warehouse and saying, hey, give us all the categories so that we can start searching. Obviously, it's a good idea to have a clear idea of what you want, the products you want, before you start this process, or at least the type of shop you want. So that's going out and getting them all. It's also getting an indication of the numbers, how many products in each category, and it sets up this drop down. So we'll look here, let's just say audio visual, audio and video, and now it's looking for the subcategories in each of those. So you can see here that you could get projectors and accessories, musical instruments, or speakers. Let's just click on photography just for now, just for fun. There we go. So that's all it's got in terms of photography. It's got 450 camera accessories. We'll go for musical instruments now, just for this example. It's going there. There we go. There's the subcategories. Let's say we're looking for keyboards and some drums. So we'll click on that, and what it's going to do is just going to get us a list of them, like a catalog, if you like. It's not importing right now. It's just getting a list, and it's going to display those below. So when it's pulled those back, okay. So look here. There we go. We've got a big list. We can scroll all the way down. It's going to bring in the photos as we scroll. And you can see down the bottom there's 630. Now, for this exercise, we don't want 630. Let's just pick we could pick the top three, but look, we've got a t-shirt. Maybe we don't want any t-shirts. So let's just get the word T and put it in this exclusion area. And let's just pretend that we also don't want the word yellow in our search. So we'll do a comma, and you can do the same thing with inclusion ones. Inclusion filtering. So we had 630, we now got 618. Let's say we don't want the word unit. Again, just to quickly filter it down, and unit, and see how many we've got. All right, so 540, we don't want them all. Let's just get the first four. That looks like a little kid's one. Oh, it doesn't really matter. So you can see you've got the bigger image, you've got the price, and this is the cost to you, not to the customer, and how many they've got in stock. So we'll just click these three, or these four, these three. If we want to, just to get a more clearer image of what's happening, we can click those. You can see some random things which have been pulled in, which you can exclude if you want, and you can just really refine your search down to, actually let's do that just for the purpose of this exercise. So we can click on different subcategories and different selections here. We can have our price range. We only want to have things for $50 at the maximum, and that should bring it down there. 253. If we decide no, we want let's have it even more refined. 128 products. You could choose based on whether there's free shipping available for that product or not. You can click on brands. You can click on, now I'm going to scroll down and get quite a few brands. And now we've got 116. We only don't want all the colors, so we'll just have those colors. There, that really refines it down to 2.